And the Terra LUNA Classic was amongst the most rapidly growing digital currencies of all time that swept the cryptocurrency market. The recent DPEG event called for a new Terra, the older one, which is now Terra Classic.
Terra LUNA one-of-a-kind feature is a crucial motivator in eliminating the mining barrier.
Luna can't, the native asset of the protocol, which is being used in mining and for administration, it has ushered in a revolution as a fully decentralized payment mechanism that substitutes the traditional payment layer on the top of the blockchain. And in some ways, it increases transparency by removing the need for intermediaries or authorization. And as a result, rather than distinct digital currencies, for instance, BTC, Terra's native coin Luna, functions as a configurable asset that tackles performance, scalability, and availability challenges. However, after the series of disastrous events, investors still hold concerns over Terra 2.0 price. Is Terra LUNA dead? This write-up illustrates the feasible Terra LUNA price predictions for 2023, the years to come. The Luna price has displayed massive price action this month, as the price has added over 50% in its value within this month. Terra LUNA was seen trading in a consolidated range between 3901 and 4829 for a brief period, following which the market gained momentum and the price surged. The MACD displays a rising green histogram in its chart, indicating an ongoing power in selling power for the coin. Further, the chart shows a rising average, suggesting the price to continue gaining value in the coming term. If the bulls push the price above the resistance level of $0.7752, the price will regain momentum and make a run to test its upper resistance level of 0.8429. Further, if the market holds the price at that level, it will further rise and test its resistance level of $900 this month. On the contrary, if the bears overpowered the bulls, the price will lose momentum and fall to 62,007. And if the price fails to hold that level, then the price will experience a further plunge to as low as $0.5462 in the coming week. Terra is still regarded as a fast-growing ecosystem, and Luna is a central motion in its network. Luna could keep going up to a maximum price, as there is a massive market for Terra LUNA coins, with the need to sustain Terra token values balanced. Since the price pump in January, market had recorded constant fall in its value, resulting in its price experiencing new yearly lows. Recently, the market, despite a massive jump in its value by surging over 60% within the past month. The highest Terra coin price that can be estimated is roughly 92 cents. However, factors such as regulatory concerns could leave Luna's minimal cost at approximately 35 cents. Conversely, constrained a linear projection, the average price might land at 63 cents. Luna is a configurable asset that tackles performance, scalability, and availability concerns. The above factors will increase its luminance in the market, and the bulls may take over to propel its price to rise to new highs. Terra LUNA 2.0 price for 2023 could range from 35 cents to 92 cents. And after revamping the entire world network of payments, Luna pricing could set out on a journey to leave a significant mark in this crypto industry. In such an optimistic case, the price of Terra LUNA could surge to its potential high of $1.25. On the flip side, an ebbing stance in the business followed by negative criticism and falling volumes could sink the price down to 83 cents. That said, a balance in the buying and selling pressures could settle the price of the altcoin at 1.04. If the network manages to regain the trust of the crypto community with developments and community building initiatives, the price of Terra coin price could hit its potential high of $1.68. And in contrast, failing to reestablish its prominence could slump the price down to $1.06. Successively factoring in the maximum and minimum targets, the regular Luna 2.0 price could settle in $1.37. According to forecast prices and technical analysis, price of Luna is projected to reach a minimum of $135 in 2026. The maximum price could hit $2.09, with an average by Terra price around $1.72. Looking forward to 2027, Luna's price is expected to reach a low of $1.99 with a high of $2.54 and an average forecast price of $2.26. In 2028, the price of a single Terra Luna 2.0 is anticipated to reach a minimum of $2.31 with a maximum of $3.25 and an average price of $2.78. By 2029, price of Luna is predicted to reach a minimum of $2.99 with the potential to hit a maximum of $3.86 and an average of $3.42. In 2030, Terra 2.0 is predicted to touch its lowest price at $3.28, hitting a high of $4.59 and an average Terra price of $3.90. Some governments. So regulations by the government and the central bank digital currencies could impact the crypto industry greatly, and inflation of fiat currencies. Hyperinflation could drive people and governments towards cryptocurrencies as an alternative. Supply and demand, a spike in supply and demand can help surge the price of this coin to new highs. And we've made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are the average targets set by the respective firms. And Terra's goal is to build an international payment system with minimal rates and no constraints imposed by national frontiers. Terra is ideally positioned to capitalize on DeFi's prospects and aims to be one of the premier DeFi blockchain systems for generations to follow. As DeFi progresses and real-world use instances get more prevalent. With this, Luna is expected to reach a maximum of 92 cents by the end of the year, with a low of 35 cents. Calculating the bulls and bears power, the price may end the year at an average of 0.63. Terra Luna was established in 2018 by Daniel Shin and Duke Huan, who are the founders of Terraform Labs, the firm that powers the Terra Luna environment. The project debuted its mainnet and white paper in 2019 after securing $32 million financing from sponsors such as Binance Labs, OKX, and Huobi Capital. Terra relaunched as Terra 2.0 in this year 2022. Terra Luna was developed on the Cosmos blockchain, as it was the only means of transporting autonomous blockchain applications in the era. Its goal is to increase cryptocurrency acceptance by offering a variety of provincial fiat-based stablecoins whose rates are publicized on-chain by oracles and allowing instantaneous trades across them. This allows for low-cost cross-border and simple transactions, removing the risk of people struggling financially due to the volatile nature of cryptocurrency. As a result, rather than distinct digital currencies, such as BTC, Terra's native token acts as a programmed asset that tackles challenges such as scalability, effortless speed, and interoperability. The Terra system's native digital asset, Luna, is vital to building the stablecoin peg. It's being used to transact these stablecoins at a concession or a premium, depending on whether demand is up or down.
Terra is a decentralized cryptocurrency for fast and worldwide transactions.
And Terra production grows or shrinks as a result, putting its cost back with that of the fiat. In this ecosystem, Terra Luna serves as a stabilizing token. If some Terra cryptocurrency values get unhooked from the fiat money they are tethered to. Customers can swap their Luna for Terra. It was the second greatest technology in DeFi in terms of overall worth locked and the most staked token. Also, it is a transaction-focused finance platform that incorporates proof to do the addition of stake consensus with smart contract functionalities. Furthermore, the growing adoption resulted in a favorable price reinforcement for Luna. And then the token starting price was roughly $7.9 on the 28th of May. The same day, the price peaked at as high as $19 before settling at about 5.3 cents. The Terra price rose to $6.12 on the 30th of May, from where it kept rising to $9.02 on the same day. The next day, on the 31st of May, price, it attempted to bounce back but could not cross below 11.46. The price railed down to 8.2 on the 1st, but at 14.45.50. And one other of June, and closed the day at $6.03. Every time the following weeks did not mark a great recovery as Luna continued its bearish trend. The Terra Luna 2.0 coin can experience a gradual growth in the coming time. According to our Luna Classic price prediction 2023, the altcoin might hit a maximum of 92 cents by the end of 2023. Yes, it could still be a profitable investment, as it is a sound trading option with solid fundamentals and fascinating tokenomics. The price of Luna 2.0 could surge to a maximum of 1.68 by the end of 2025. With a potential surge, the price could go as high as 4.59. And this means that no one really still makes this system before, but the Terra ecosystem also encourages users to stake their Luna in exchange for benefits, making it an excellent mid to long-term investment. The current market cap of Terra Crypto is $388,668,965.64910. At the time of publishing, the price of Luna token was $6,945. Luna is available on all major exchanges, including KuCoin, FTX, Huobi Global, Gemini, Bitfinex, and Bittrex. The price of Luna is predicted to cross the $1 mark in the next year.